Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel for baking and for other recipe tutorials in this channel. In the last video I've been showing you how to make the perfect chocolate brownie, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make the gluten-free billionaires cake. Now for this recipe, all you need is 225 grams of unsalted butter and 225 grams of light brown sugar and using either an electric hand whisk or a spatula, bring both of them together until it is fluffier in texture. Next, after the instruction as to egging 4 eggs one at a time. And to do this with this spoon, and then add in a teaspoon of Madagascar vanilla extract. This is Moroccan almond extract. So mix this in more briefly. Next thing is to add in a teaspoon of baking powder, a quarter teaspoon of xanthan gum, the gluten-free one, and also gluten-free, 225 grams of self-raising flour, and sift them in. And then mix those dry ingredients with a spatula or electric whisk and combine and mix it until it is combined. Next in the recipe is to divide the batter evenly between the 2 tins. Next is to put them in the oven for 30 minutes in as in 190 degrees Celsius until the skewer comes out clean for both cakes. That is a cake that has been divided into two stages and two cake tins that have been baked in the oven for 30 minutes. Next thing we should do, all this is doing is melt the 120 grams of dark chocolate and melt it in a simmering water or in a microwave. The next thing to do is to mix 250 grams of salt and butter and then whisk it until it's like a more yellow colour until it is like a violet colour. And then once it's been paler, add in the first stage of the icing sugar. This one is 185 grams. And then mix it for a few minutes with the icing sugar. And then add the second half of the icing sugar. The next thing is to add in 55 grams of sifted cocoa powder, and mix again until it is fully combined. Then add the melted chocolate until mixed dispersely. Then sandwich the two cooled cakes that came out of the oven minutes ago. And then spread this until the further edge of the cake. And to second the sandwich cake on top. Spread the icing on top of the cake like you would with the sandwich filling. This is a cake that I've been showing you as a tutorial. So if you want a ganache, there's a full recipe down in the description below for a billionaire's cake like this. So have a look. So this is a cake that I've been showing you today as a recipe tutorial. So if you like this recipe tutorial, don't forget to hit the like button below and also hit the subscribe button. And there will be other recipe tutorials coming up, so don't forget to also subscribe to my channel as well. Till in the next video. Bye.